Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can get 1 day of Nitro by completing the Mission Impossible puzzle quest on Discord. I'm going to select launch activity quest here, and here is where you can do the puzzle. I will walk you through it. So to get it, I'm just going to hide chat. Let's select begin. Oh my gosh, it's very loud. I'm going to get the knife first here, and we're going to select take. And I'm just going to open this. And sometimes you can click on these. I don't know what it's for, but there's 8 to find. I don't think I'm going to find them all, but you can also turn this on for like a blue light moment. There's also some like codes in the gum that just like take. I don't know what again it's for. There is another one here that you can take. I don't know all the locations though, so maybe you can do that on your own. But to complete the puzzle, you're going to take the knife and open this. Alright, so take the key and then open the book. Take the key and open the book. Get the battery and select take. Then you're going to get the camera and you're going to place the battery in there, like so. Then you're just going to take a picture, get that picture, take, and we're going to go here and use this to decode. So it's ARHP6J. ARHP6. Was it 6? I don't remember what it was. Oh, it's here. HP6. Oh, it's there. Sorry. And J. And it's unlocked. Ta-da! Take. Mission complete. Woohoo! Exclusive intel. Discord quest complete. Ta-da! And hopefully after that you'll get your Discord Nitro. I guess you go back to Discover here and claim reward. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.